everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a review on one of the Hoyas that I got from Costa Farm. So thank you so much for tuning in. Okay, this is my Hoya Chelsea that I got probably maybe 6 or 7 months ago at Lowe's. I just want to show you guys the plant first. It has grown quite a bit since I got it. Just look at these leaves. Okay, so let's get into the pro of this plant. So Hoya Chelsea is very easy to take care of. You can in fact neglect this plant for a few weeks and it'll be fine. Just come back, give it some water, give it some good light, and it should be fine. The leaves are very characteristic. It almost looked like this one, looked like a Hoya figure 8, but no, it's actually a Chelsea. This plant might need a little bit of drink actually, but as you guys can see, the leaves are shiny. It is globular. You know, sometimes I call her Fat Chelsea for obvious reason. I hope that didn't offend anybody. If your name is Chelsea, I'm sorry. But yeah, it's a very easy to take care of plant. That's a big pro in my book. The flower on this plant is very pretty. It smells really good. My Hoya Chelsea have not flowered for me yet, but hopefully next year it will. As you guys can see, this pot is so full. Again, with most of my Hoya, I leave them in the Costa Farm pot. I just love these pot. This is just great. Okay, you can't get this from other hanging basket. And then it has a little saucer here that catches the water. With a little bit of water down here, it can act as a self-watering pot for a couple of days or so. Okay, let's go to the con of this plant. The first one is just personal taste. It's pretty plain in terms of color. Okay. Con number 2 is that these leaves, if you bump it into it a certain way, it will snap. It is quite fragile, but the good thing is this plant is so vigorous that it can bounce back if it does lose a leaf or two. If you are a beginner that is interested in Hoya, grab yourself a Hoya Chelsea. I got mine at Lowe's a couple of months ago, maybe more than 6 months ago actually, for about $16. They are commonly found at Lowe's, Home Depot, and maybe Walmart. So they're not that hard to find compared to other Hoya. Sorry, found a crunchy leaf. I must get rid of it. You guys know that I'm just kind of OCD that way. So get this plant. It is worth it, in my opinion. Just look at it. Look how full it is. If you want to root it, just like the other Hoya, just cut the strand here. Make sure it has at least 2 leaves and a node, and then stick it into soil, and the roots should be coming off right along the stem here, and you have yourself a new plant. Very easy to propagate Hoya. My plan for this guy, probably to keep him here for maybe another year and repot him. He is a big boy, and with all these leaves, he needs to be fed more frequently than when I first got him. The good thing about getting Hoya from Costa Farm is, you actually can leave the plant in the original substrate and not worry about the plant being affected by it as much as the aeroids. But yeah, this is my review of Costa Farm Hoya Chelsea. I definitely recommend that you get one. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.